Chapter 1, number 3, we are going to be simplifying each expression. So we have to follow the rules of PEMDAS. Okay. So parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, then subtraction. So here it looks like we can do the 6 times 6 first. So that will become 36. Okay. Rewrite everything. Next, we can do that division, 36 divided by 9, which is 4. Bring everything else down. Then 12 plus 4, which makes it 16. That would be the final answer. Next, we have this. This, please understand, this bar means this is the quotient. That's also the divide symbol. So we have 5 divided by 1 over 4 plus 7. So there's an easy way to do this. The division becomes a multiplication, but the 1 over 4 changes to become 4 over 1. It becomes the reciprocal. Or you can just leave it as 4. Okay? So that is how everything gets turned. Everything else comes straight down. 5 times 4, which is 20. Bring down the plus 7. This becomes 27 in the end. Right? Let's look at C. Following the rules of PEMDAS, we do multiplication first. So 3 times 12, which is going to be 36. Bring everything else down. Then we can do 11 plus 36, which gets as 47 minus 12. Then subtract 12. You get 65 as the final answer. Okay, so there you go. That is how you simplify.